Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tackle a design challenge that so many of us who live in small spaces face. How to make your tiny house feel both modern and cozy. It's a common misconception that modern design has to be cold and sterile, filled with stark whites and hard edges. On the other hand, a cozy space can sometimes feel cluttered or old-fashioned. The secret, I've discovered, lies in finding a perfect balance between sleek, minimalist lines and warm, inviting textures. It's about combining functionality with a feeling of comfort, and I'm going to share some of my favorite strategies for achieving this in my own home. The modern foundation, clean lines and smart storage. First, let's talk about the modern side. To create a clean and uncluttered look, I chose a simple and consistent color palette. I've opted for a base of crisp white walls, which not only makes the space feel larger and brighter, but also provides a blank canvas for everything else. I've also invested in multifunctional and smart furniture. My sofa has hidden storage, and my coffee table can be elevated to serve as a dining table. By using furniture with clean lines and a minimalist design, I ensure that the space doesn't feel visually busy. The key is to be ruthless with clutter. Everything has its place, and if it doesn't belong here. This modern foundation is all about efficiency and visual simplicity, creating a streamlined look that feels organized and calm. The cozy touches, layering texture and warmth. Now, to bring in the cozy element. This is where I get to add personality and warmth to the modern shell. The most important tool for this is texture. While the walls might be white, I've layered a plush, high-pile rug on the floor, a chunky knit blanket on the sofa, and a mix of linen and velvet cushions. These different textures make the space feel inviting and comfortable to the touch. Another crucial element is lighting. Instead of relying on a single overhead light, I use multiple sources of soft, warm light. My floor lamp has a warm bulb. I have a string of fairy lights in the loft, and I always have a few candles ready to light in the evenings. These warm glows instantly transform the space from being just a room into a cozy haven. Lastly, I've incorporated natural elements. I have a few small potted plants to bring a touch of life and greenery, and I've used wood accents from my kitchen countertop to small decorative items to add organic warmth that contrasts beautifully with the modern foundation. By blending the two, my home feels both sleek and welcoming. A place that's not only easy to live in, but also a joy to come home to. Is a modern Hygge tiny house right for you? In our last few videos, we've talked about the beauty of this lifestyle, the cozy decor, the minimalist mindset, and the balance between modern design and warm, inviting spaces. But the truth is, this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a significant lifestyle choice that comes with both incredible benefits and unique challenges. So, before you start dreaming of a small space filled with fairy lights and chunky blankets, let's take a deep, honest look at what this life truly entails. The benefits, freedom, simplicity, and peace. On one hand, a modern Hygge tiny home offers an unparalleled sense of freedom. You're no longer tied down by a massive mortgage or the endless cycle of buying more things to fill a large space. This financial freedom can open up so many doors, whether it's traveling more, pursuing a passion project, or simply working less. The minimalist aspect forces you to be intentional about every item you own, leading to a life with less clutter and more clarity. You'll find yourself surrounded only by things that genuinely bring you joy or serve a purpose. This intentionality, combined with the Hygge philosophy of creating a cozy sanctuary, fosters a deep sense of peace. Your home becomes a true escape, a place where you can recharge and disconnect from the overwhelming demands of the outside world. It's a life focused on experiences and genuine connection, not material possessions. The challenges, space constraints, and social pressures. However, it's also important to be realistic about the challenges. Living in a tiny house means making significant compromises on space. This isn't just about fitting your furniture. It's about reevaluating your entire lifestyle. Can you handle a smaller kitchen, a compact bathroom, or the lack of a dedicated guest room? Every inch of your space needs to be carefully considered. It's a constant exercise in organization and discipline, Beyond the physical constraints, there's also the social aspect. You'll likely face questions or even judgment from friends and family who don't understand your choice. You might have to explain your living situation repeatedly or navigate social gatherings differently. Furthermore, while the cozy, intentional lifestyle is beautiful, it's a choice that requires a certain level of commitment and self-awareness to maintain. It's not just a trend. It's a way of living that requires you to consistently prioritize what truly matters over societal expectations. So, as you can see, the modern Hygge Tiny House lifestyle is more than just a home, it's a mindset. It's for those who prioritize freedom and simplicity over space and social norms. If you're someone who values experiences over things and seeks genuine peace in a world full of noise, then this might just be the perfect fit for you. When I first moved into this tiny house, the kitchen was just a functional space. It was a place where I cooked and nothing more. It was efficient, yes, but it lacked personality, warmth, and that sense of cozy contentment that I've tried to infuse into every other part of my home. My goal with this makeover was to prove that a small kitchen doesn't have to be a sterile, purely utilitarian space. I wanted to transform it into the heart of my home, a place that feels not only stylish but also incredibly inviting and peaceful. This wasn't about adding more items. It was about choosing every single detail with intention, from the materials to the color palette, to make the space feel bigger, brighter, and full of life. It's a testament to the idea that you don't need a huge kitchen to create a beautiful, functional, and deeply personal space. The vision, blending minimalist function with cozy warmth. My vision for this kitchen was to blend the clean, functional lines of minimalist design with the soft, warm textures of Hygge. I started by getting rid of all the clutter on my countertops, making sure every pot, pan, and utensil had its designated spot to create a clean visual flow. I then replaced the cold, generic countertops with a beautiful piece of reclaimed wood, which instantly added a touch of natural warmth and character. To make the space feel more open, I installed open shelving instead of closed cabinets. This not only makes my favorite mugs and dishes easily accessible, but also serves as a decorative element, showcasing the simple, elegant dishware I've collected. For lighting, I added a small string of warm fairy lights under the top shelf and a tiny lamp on the counter, which creates a magical, cozy glow in the evenings. The key was to make every choice a deliberate one, choosing a soft, neutral color palette for the walls, adding a small potted plant to bring a touch of greenery, and using woven baskets for a hint of texture. The result is a kitchen that feels not only perfectly organized and efficient, but also incredibly comforting and stylish. It's now my favorite place to be, and I hope it inspires you to find the beauty in your own small spaces. A space I've designed to be both incredibly clean and deeply Hygge. For many, a tiny house bathroom is just a functional box. But I believe it should be a sanctuary, a place where you can start your day feeling refreshed and end it by truly unwinding. The key to this transformation was finding a perfect balance between modern, minimalist design and the warm, cozy elements of Hygge. It's about a space that feels uncluttered and stylish, but also incredibly inviting and peaceful. So, come on in and let me show you how I made this small room my personal retreat. The modern foundation, simplicity, and functionality. The first step in making this bathroom feel modern was to embrace simplicity. I chose a clean, neutral color palette with white walls and a light gray tile. This not only makes the space feel larger and brighter, but also creates a calm, consistent backdrop. The vanity is a wall-mounted, floating unit with a simple design and clean lines, which gives the illusion of more floor space. I also opted for a sleek, frameless glass shower door instead of a shower curtain. This simple change allows light to flow freely and makes the entire room feel more open and cohesive. All of the fixtures, from the faucet to the showerhead, are in matte black, which adds a sophisticated, modern contrast to the light colors. By focusing on clean lines, smart storage, and a minimalist aesthetic, I laid a foundation that feels organized and effortlessly stylish. The Hygge touches, layering warmth and comfort. Now, to bring in the Hygge, this is where the magic happens and where the space goes from just modern to cozy. While the overall design is simple, I've layered in warm, comforting textures to soften the space. I have a plush, textured bath mat on the floor, and I've rolled up a few soft, fluffy towels on a small wooden shelf. Lighting is incredibly important for Hygge, so instead of a single, harsh overhead light, I have a soft, warm-toned light above the mirror and a few small battery-operated candles that I light in the evenings. The key is to create a peaceful, gentle glow. I've also incorporated natural elements like a small, moisture-loving plant and a beautiful wooden stool. The wood provides an organic warmth that contrasts beautifully with the modern fixtures. The final touch is a few high-quality, beautifully scented soaps and lotions, which appeal to the sense of smell and make every visit to the bathroom feel like a small act of self-care. It's this combination of modern simplicity and cozy touches that has made my tiny bathroom not just functional, but a true sanctuary of peace and relaxation.